Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share with you my all-time favorite homemade cleaner recipes. I don't buy them anymore because firstly, they are so cheap and easy to make, and secondly, there are no harsh chemicals. So let's get started. The first one is a good old all-purpose cleaner. For this you will need 2 cups of distilled water, 3 tablespoons of castile soap or dish soap, depending on what's available, and 20 drops of essential oil. In this case, I have used lemon essential oil because I had it. You need to put all of this in a spray bottle, shake it all up, and it's good to go. I suggest also using a funnel to put all the liquid ingredients so that it doesn't spill off the bottle. And lastly, if you can label it, go ahead and label it because it makes it look funky and nice. You can use this cleaner to clean a lot of things in and around the house. I pretty much use it to clean the countertops, cabinets, cabinet handles, appliances, bathroom sinks, pretty much anything that needs to be cleaned. Also, I make 2 bottles of it, one for the kitchen and one for the bathroom. The next one is a kitchen disinfectant. For this you will need equal measure of water and rubbing alcohol. I have used 1 cup of water and 1 cup of rubbing alcohol for a 16-ounce bottle. Mix this all together and your homemade disinfectant is ready to be used. I call this solution a kitchen disinfectant because this solution does not contain vinegar, which means that I can use this even on countertops. But other than that, you can use this to disinfect any part of the house. The next one is a multi-purpose cleaner. It's a general disinfectant as well as a glass cleaner. For my 16-ounce spray bottle, I used 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 1.5 cups of distilled water. Mix this all together and you have your multi-purpose disinfectant and glass cleaner ready to go. The only difference between this and the kitchen disinfectant is that it contains vinegar, and of course I can't use them on the countertops. So I label them just to make sure I exactly know what I'm using. The next one is a bathroom disinfectant spray as well as a daily shower spray. For this you will need 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide. As you can see, I'm almost done with that bottle. 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1.5 cups of water, and about 10 drops of essential oil. Hands down, another great multi-purpose cleaner. I call this the bathroom disinfectant because it not only disinfects but also helps in cleaning any formation of mold and mildew. Disinfecting is always the second part of cleaning. The first part is to actually take an all-purpose cleaner, clean it all up, and then use this solution as a disinfectant. Next up is a room freshener, which is not actually a cleaner, but I spray it all around right after cleaning. For this, I've already pre-filled the bottle with water, and I'm adding a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol and about 15 to 20 drops of essential oil. Now shake it, spray it, and enjoy the aroma. Again, this is a win-win because this not only is a room freshener but can also be used as a linen spray. So these are my top 5 homemade multi-purpose cleaners that I use in my day-to-day life. Make sure you check out my blog for more detailed information on all of these. Try them all out and let me know what you all think. Until then, take care and see you all in my next one.